He's actually working, guys. Welcome back to Driven to Compete channel. And we're starting with, I guess, video 2 of this build. Where are we at here so far? So we stopped on Sunday. It's Thursday now. David was up and put a couple hours in throughout the week here. So where we're at is, you can see we put the performance tensioner on. The oil pump is off. We have to put the oil pump on. That is laying right here, along with some detailed instructions on how to shim that up. And once we're done with that, he got gaskets this week, so we can redo the timing chain cover and the water pump, put that back on. And you can see the intake is off, and he's doing the ARP head bolts one at a time right now. And let me show you the pile of mess over here. So quite a load of stuff back here, as you can see. And yes, we're going to walk back here and check this load of stuff out. What a mess. But today was Christmas for Davey, right?
Yes, it was.
And the Red Devil, as I think the name's going to stick with. He likes that. But Pro Charger kit came. And so, Dave, show them your Pro Charger. I'm impressed with the... What a beast. Alright. Which one is that?
D1SC.
Okay. And then check this beast out. Wow. So he's got quite a bit. You can see all the brackets and all the belts, the inner heat exchanger, intercooler, and then he picked up some new plugs, case of brake clean, and some other parts that we needed, like I said. So it's going to be a busy couple weeks here as we work on it when we have time. But you know, guys, you know, look at that channel.
Built, not bought.
Built, not bought. Absolutely. At this point, it's going to be brothers built, not bought.
Yep.
And you can see here we're hey, you can read. Say hi.
Hey.
All right. So with that said, so here's where we're at. We put the GM Performance Parts tensioner on. We put the Performance oil pump. We shimmed that puppy up, and we're ready to prime it. We pulled the plug out. I don't know if you guys are aware, there's a plug over here on the side of the block. Feed some line through there, and you can prime the pump. We got the oil ready to go here. So we're going to button up the front here. Okay, so we're going to, after we're done buttoning up the front here, we're going to go to work on these heads. And we're going to pull the heads and put LS9.
Yep.
LS9 head gaskets on it. And put it back together. Put the ARP head studs, or head bolts, excuse me, in it. And start to put it back together here. Once we do that, we can put the headers back on here and the intake back on, and then we can set the injectors and the fuel rails. We got the fuel system today. So you know, it's coming together slowly but surely. Let's walk around the back here. Davey's kind of like a kid in a candy store. I'm proud that he gets to do this and enjoy what so many of others have done, which is go into debt to feed your habit. So this is right here. This right here is Davey's crack cocaine habit. I'm sorry. I should rephrase that. This is your meth habit, because there's meth injection going on the car.
Still not here yet.
Still not here though. So you know, you guys can see here. Whoops! Watch that finger. Got a lot of stuff, but Davey was really happy because his fuel system came. And show the channel watchers your fuel rails and stuff like that.
Fuel rails.
Nice.
Fuel pumps. One of. The other one's in the box still.
Correct.
Dual fuel pumps.
Sweet.
So.
Dual fuel pumps.
All kinds of goodies to go with it. Inline filters.
Return.
Everything return.
You gotta put a return on it. So, you know, it's coming together. Slowly, but surely. And I gotta tell you guys, it's it's a lot. I mean, you can see here, I think I've shown in the other videos, there's a lot of stuff we took off this car to get to this point. So, what are you thinking, Davey? You happy?
I think my car windows are down.
It's raining. This is typical Pennsylvania bullshit weather. It's raining. It's always raining for some reason here. I feel like we're in Seattle. The funny part is every time I've ever traveled to Seattle, there's never been any rain. Oh, what do we got coming here? Oh, race car time. Alright guys, well, listen, I gotta go, I gotta check out this toy. You gotta check back and you can learn more about the car and what just pulled in. Keep watching, hit the bell on the besides subscribe so you can stay up to date. So bye.
See it?